Just running through the sine rule, finding the side. So the rule just states that A over sine A equals B over sine B. So what you want to find is little a, so that would be the x. Ignore the letters that are already there, because sometimes they just mess up and they don't match the formula. You assign your own letters so you can put those into the formula. So basically what you want to find is little a. Opposite is big A. The other side will be little b, and opposite that one will be big B. So subbing it in, little a over sine A equals little b over sine B. So little a would be x, and that's over sine 60, equals little b, which is 115, and that will be over sine 40. Now, we're nearly there, but we need to get x by itself. So when you're trying to get x by itself, you need to get rid of that sine 60. So when you move that to the other side, it will just become times. So you're going x equals 115 sine 40, and then times sine 60. If you do happen to get an error for this, it's because often when you open trig, it actually opens the bracket. And if you forget to close the bracket, then you're going to get an error in your solution. So now let's just find the angle. So you get 154.9 meters. Okay. So what we're going to do now is look at finding x here using the sine rule. So what we want is little a, that's the x. Opposite is big A. The other side will be little b, and opposite is big B. Oh, but there's no angle. So when there's no angle, if you just use angle sum of a triangle and take away 54 and 18, you'll get what that angle is. You get 108 degrees. Okay, so then putting it into the formula, A on sine A equals B on sine B. So little a is x on big A, which is 54. Make sure you put brackets around that or you could get an error. And then 112 on sine 108. Okay, so to get x by itself, we're going to get rid of the sine 54. So we times sine 54 on both sides, or just move the sine 54 because it disappears on the left-hand side. So x is 112 over sine 108 times sine 54, and that will be equal to 95.3 meters to one decimal place.